New at 11 tonight, federal immigration enforcement has been a big topic of discussion over the past couple of months, and that includes here in Columbus.
So tonight, City Council held a hearing to propose some new changes on how to handle federal agents here in the future. 10 TV's Libby Cathy is live outside City Hall with what was discussed in that meeting. Libby.
Jeff, Yolanda, inside City Hall tonight, dozens of residents weighing in on a new City Council proposal that would restrict ICE activity in spaces like this one.
We are going to go ahead and call this hearing to order.
A packed chamber at City Hall Tuesday.
So now we are in this burning national debate about the need to change.
Democracy does not exist when the entire community lives in fear.
As Columbus City Council held a public hearing on new code changes intended to limit ICE activity.
This is about who we are as a city, our humanity.
Council members say while immigration enforcement is a federal responsibility, the city still controls its own blocks and buildings.
What we're proposing this evening is really what we know that we can do within our power to protect our public spaces and to protect our people and our families in Columbus. We know that this is a federal issue and there are limits to what we can do, but we still have home rule.
The proposed code changes include restricting ICE from staging on city property, limiting operations at public spaces like recreation centers, raising penalties for harassing daycare facilities to a first-degree misdemeanor, and stopping ICE from opening a detention center inside the city.
We know that they are shopping for a place here in Central Ohio, and we want to make sure that's not here in Columbus.
Immigrants like Leo Almeida, who celebrated 17 years as a naturalized citizen last Friday, say without these changes,
I'm fearful that it'll make it easier for ICE agents to come and utilize tactics that they really shouldn't be utilizing to enforce certain policies. It's a confusing time right now for immigrants and refugees.
In response to City Council, Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost posted on social media calling this a political stunt and says this is not legally enforceable. Asked about opposition, Lourdes Barroso de Padilla said,
I believe that we have the law on our side. I believe that the Constitution is on our side. And I believe that we are doing right by every citizen in Columbus, regardless of your immigration status, period.
Now, no one spoke in opposition tonight of what was being proposed here. So council members say a vote on some of these changes could come as early as next Monday. Others, they say, will take more time to tweak. Reporting outside City Hall, Libby Cathy, 10 TV News.